Exemptions in bankruptcy in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. Along with my partner, Roshan Jain, we represent victims of motor vehicle accidents, personal injury, legal malpractice, and also people who need to file for personal bankruptcy here in Massachusetts. And I've been in this building at 6 Beacon Street for 38 years, since 1987, and I've been practicing law since 1985. We have a lot of experience with bankruptcy, and we've been asked to talk today about bankruptcy exemptions and what those are. And I'm not going to list them, and I'm not going to give you the amounts for them. They change sometimes year to year. They're federal and they're state, and you need to have a lawyer or yourself, if you think you can do it, decide whether you want the state exemptions or the federal exemptions. And the federal are a little more helpful if you don't have a house. If you do have a house, then you probably want the state exemption, so you need to make that decision. It's a one-time decision before you file. And there's a certain amount for car, there's a certain amount for jewelry, for tools of the trade, things like that. It's not super complicated. They're listed out, but again, the first thing you want to do is decide whether you want state or federal. Now, if you have a house, you probably want the state, because Massachusetts has a $500,000 homestead exemption. You have to file the homestead properly, and it's a little different if there's 2 people or if they're over 65, but the basic is a very large exemption for the equity in your home of $500,000 if you file the homestead exemption before you file the bankruptcy. If you get in a car accident and someone sues you, you can file it after. So it's, the legal wrangling here has to be done on a timely basis. But for bankruptcy, just do it before. Our website has some of the exemptions. The federal websites have all the exemptions. You can look those up. But the bottom line for most of our clients is state versus federal, file the homestead, your 401k, 403b plans, things like that are exempt also. And we can help you. We've been doing this for 40 years representing people who need to file bankruptcy. So call, it's a free initial consultation. Call Burns and Jain, 617-227-7423. Thank you.